Respected parents, guardians, and well-wishers of the Darul Madina International Schooling System, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives us immense pleasure to address you all today on a very special occasion, the launch of a unique and thoughtful initiative that's aligned with both our educational mission and our spiritual vision. At our institution at Darul Madina English School, Shuhama campus, every step we take is rooted in the desire to nurture young hearts not just with information but with values. Values that shape character, strengthen faith and prepare our children to be true representatives of our ummah. आज हम एक बहुत ही खुशगवार और मकसूद बड़ी पहल का आगाज़ कर रहे हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन. The introduction of a powerful and purposeful visual learning tool in the form of LED TVs in our kindergarten classrooms. But this is not just another screen, it is a window into a world of positive learning. Through this platform, Inshallah Al-Kareem, we will be showing morally uplifting cartoon series, most notably the widely appreciated Ghulam Rasool, as you can see right now. Bablu Bhai, Kanis Fatima, having Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin a monumental viewership in multi-millions on social media. Besides this, along other hand-picked Islamic content curated with care to promote purity, spirituality and strong character-building messages would also be shown to our beautiful shining stars of Darul Madina, Inshallah Al-Kareem. क्योंकि ज़माना चेंज हुआ है, एवरीथिंग इज़ अपडेटेड, सोफिस्टिकेशन इज़ देयर इन द एजुकेशन. अब स्क्रीन का असर हर बच्चे पर होता है. So why not ensure that the screen becomes a source of noor in a state of fitna, where children are mutually drawn to animation and social media. So let's use it to direct their hearts towards goodness. बच्चे देखकर सीखते हैं और जो वो देखते हैं, जी जी बेटा, बच्चे देखकर सीखते हैं और जो वो देखते हैं वही उनका रोल मॉडल बन जाता है. Let those heroes be ones who live by the Quran Kareem, walk with kindness, speak the truth and uphold the noble values we all cherish. We highly encourage our respected parents to extend this spiritual journey into your homes as well. स्कूल में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इनका ये ज़हन देते हैं हम कि ये इखलाकियात कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग की तरफ आए, बट वी सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम द पेरेंट कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो. Parents of Darul Madina International Schooling System in particular, we request them to ensure that they have a conducive environment also at the home that's based on the moral as well as the spiritual rejuvenation of their kids, of our shining stars, of our stars of the Ummah, Inshallah Al-Kareem. जब स्कूल और घर का माहौल एक जैसा हो जाता है तो असर गहरा और दायमी हो जाता है. This initiative is more than just an educational step. It's a spiritual investment in the next generation. Let's join hands to make media a tool of tarbiyat, of nurturing minds and hearts together. अल्लाह ताला हमारे इस इखलाकी सफ़र में बरकत अदा फरमाए और हमारे फूल जैसे बच्चों को सालिया, समझदार और इस दुखियारी उम्मत के रहनुमा बनाए. आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन. Dear viewers of Darul Madina English School J&K page, we welcome all of you to have a session with all of us. जो हमारे प्यारे